simplify 12/24 if you didn't want to do the factor pairs is you could find out what factors that you know off the top of your head that they have in common. So I could pick 2. Because I know that 2 goes into 12 and 24. And then I would go ahead and divide to get my new numerator and denominator. I know that 12/24 is also equivalent to 6/12, but it's not in simplest, smallest form. You would not get credit for this answer. So you have to go ahead and simplify it again by finding a factor that goes into 6 and 12. Well, I also know that 2 goes into 6 and 12. And I know that 6 divided by 2 is 3, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. So, I got 3 6, but you still wouldn't get full credit because it's not in simplest form. I would take 3 6, I would divide again, and I know that a factor of 3 and 6 is also 3. So I'd have to divide 3 6 over 3 over 3, and then I would get 1/2. Either way you do it is fine, but you have to get the fraction of 12/24 to simplest and smallest form, which equals 1/2.